The pre-trip inspection is a vital part to every driver's day. Not only is it mandatory, it's meant to keep you and the public safe. Any out-of-service violation should be reported immediately to your dispatcher and maintenance department. Today we'll walk through a basic inspection and what we're looking for. When approaching the vehicle, look for anything that's obviously out of place or hanging down from the vehicle. First thing we want to do is open the hood. Then we will check the oil level. Make sure the oil appears in the crosshatched area. If it is low, add oil. When putting the dipstick back in, make sure you lock it down completely and it is seated properly. Then check to make sure your oil fill cap is tight. Then we will check our coolant level, our washer fluid level, and power steering. Look around the block for any signs of fluid leaks. Check all hoses for signs of rubbing, fraying, and cracks. Verify that all clamps are tight. Check the fan blade to make sure it's not loose, broken, and then pull the belt to make sure it has the proper tension. Use this time to also inspect your steer tires, your brakes, wheel seals, and your steering components, including kingpins, tie rod ends, and drag links. Also check your hubcaps for any grease leaking and the lug nuts for tightness. Walk around inspection of the vehicle. Checking fenders, tires, lug nuts, mud flaps. Look for any leaking grease seals and the condition of your brakes. Check your fifth wheel, the dates on your trailer. Continue around. Make sure your landing legs are up and secured. Check for any leaks on your packing or your motor. Condition of your load hose. Any cracks in the underrun. Trailer tires. In order to check the level of grease in your hubcaps, you have to clean the windows off. Check all four for grease. While checking your levels, check the lug nuts for tightness. Check the condition of the brakes and brake components. Any leaking airbags or rubbing airlines. Look for wheel seal leaks at this time. Flat tire. Continue around the other side. Again, checking for components, brake conditions, wheel seals. Continue checking the underrun on the other side. Valving, any leaks. Lug nuts. Now it's time to start the truck, build air, check the gauges. Verify that your oil pressure is good and your air pressure is coming up. Do a visual inspection of the motor, looking for any leaks. When you're done inspecting the engine components, close and lock the hood. Now we'll verify operation of all of our lights. Verify your trailer lights are working and all the reflectors are clean. Walk around the back checking all lights and that all reflective areas can be seen. Continue down the other side checking all your lights. Verify that all hydraulic hoses and air lines are intact. Verify that your testing equipment is functioning properly. Also check your safety and overfill system. On the Titan gauges, flip the gauge on, you'll hear an audible beep testing your audible system. It'll also go through a self-test, and if it comes up with too low, the system is good to go. If not, it'll come up with an error message. On the Garnet system, on key on, it'll go through a check as well, and if you get the green empty light, you're good to go. If you have a short or a bad probe, it'll also tell you that here. It will not give you the green light. Verify that your chocks, cones, and metal bucket are in your trailer. Once in the vehicle, you want to make sure that your IVMS and geotab system is functioning, as well as both horns, city, and your air horn. Also that your fire extinguisher is charged and strapped down, and that your safety triangles are in the truck. Also make sure that any relevant JMPs that you check them before leaving the yard. Also check any SDS sheets for the material that you're hauling if needed. When your pre-trip is complete and you're ready to go, release your brakes, waiting for the air pressure to build. Pull forward slowly to verify that all wheels are turning. Once you are sure your brakes have released, then you can continue.